Now we are going to learn to identify the big number, then smaller, smaller, smaller. So big to small. We learned to count backward. Remember we learned 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95. We learned to count backwards. Now, numbers and numbers. Let's sing a small song. Help us. That will help us in identifying numbers, writing numbers from big to small. Okay, now it's just five numbers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your fingers out. Okay, now we'll sing a tiny little song. Five little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only four little ducks came back. Four little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only three little ducks came back. Three little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only two little ducks came back. Two little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only one little duck came back. One little duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. And all the five little ducks came back. Yes, so five little ducks go for a outing over the hills, far away. And who comes back? Just four. And Mother Duck is very sad. Then four little ducks go away for a walk and comes back with three, and two go and come back with two, and two go and come back one. And the one little duck goes away and comes back with all the five, making Mummy Duck very happy. Yes? Now, what did we learn? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big number to small number. And that's what we are going to do. We are going to learn to arrange the numbers from big to small. Okay. Arrange the numbers. That's what we are going to do. Arrange. Arrange the numbers big from big to small. From big to small. That's what we are going to learn. Given mix-up of numbers, identify the biggest and then the smaller, smaller, and then smaller. All right. Now, let's look at some of the numbers that I'm going to give you. First, you identify here among the numbers which is the biggest. Okay. We have here 7, 9, 4, 8, and 6. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Among the 5 numbers, now we'll find out which is the biggest number and write it down. All right. Which is the biggest number among these? 79486. Definitely, 9 is the very good. 9 is the big number. And next small number, 8, very good. Next small number, 7. And the next smaller, 6. And finally, the smallest is 4. So we learn to arrange the numbers from big, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4. Arranging in order from big to small. Now, another set of numbers for you. Let's see how clever you are. You have 16, 14, 11, 19, and 10. You have your 5 numbers. Now identify among this the biggest. The biggest number among this is 16, 14, 11, 19, and 10. Now, how did you identify? 10 is there. They're all first numbers are all 1, 1, 1. And look at the second number, 6, 4, 1, 9, 0. Definitely, this is the biggest among those. Next you're going to look at which is smaller than that. 19, very good. 16, very good. And the next smaller, 14, very good. Next, 11, and finally, the 10. Now look, we have arranged from big to small. 19, 16, 14, 11, and 10. Now, we will do another set of numbers for us to learn to arrange from big to small. The numbers are, here I give you a mix-up of numbers. Okay? 6, 12, 9, 14, and 3. Now, you have 6, 12, 9, 14, and 3. Single and double mix up. Now, find out among this the biggest number. Among this, first, you're supposed to write from big to small. Which is the biggest number in this? 6, 12, 9, 14, and 3. Good. 14 is the biggest among these. The next small number, 14, then 12, very good, 12. What's the next number? 9, very good, next, 6, and finally 3. We learn to arrange the numbers from big to small. Okay, that's what we have done. How did we identify? Single digit easy. In the double digit, look at the first number, then the second number. First number is 1, 1. The second number is 4 and 2. Therefore, 4 is big. 14 is bigger than 12. When we learned the numerals, we found there is an order to follow. 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There is an order you follow, arranging. Whatever is in your house, whether toys or books or furniture, you arrange them. There is an order. In numbers also, you have to follow the order. Now what we are going to learn is, if you are given mix-up of numbers, supposing they give you 1 and 3 and 5 and 9 all they give you in a disorderly manner, you must identify and put it into order. Okay, like Arranging the small number, smaller, bigger, 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 small to big. How to arrange? That's what we're going to do. Now, all the time numbers, numbers. Now, to learn to arrange numbers from small to big, we'll sing a song, a rhyme rather. Okay? Now you listen very carefully. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. See the order. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Come in please and shut the door. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. It's time for school. You are late. 9 and 10 and 9 and 10. Don't be late for school again. It's an action little rhyme, but look at the order in the numbers. Now, let's say it together and show the numbers in your finger. All right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Come in please and shut the door. 5 and 6. 7 and 8. It's time for school. You are late. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. It's time for school. You are late. 9 and 10 and 9 and 10. Don't be late for school again. Alright? So numbers. When we talk of numbers, it's all in order. What we are learning today is arranging the numbers, learning to arrange the numbers from small to big. So there is an order in the number. Arrange the number. Arrange the numbers. Arrange the numbers from small to big. From small. Start with the small, then finish off with the big. And that's what we are going to do now. Alright? Arranging, learning to arrange the numbers from small to big. Learning to arrange the numbers from small to big. Now, look at the numbers that I am going to give you. I have some numbers here. You will arrange them. Alright? First, I have here 7, 9, 4, 6, and 3. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 numbers here. They are not in order. Okay? You have to put it in order. If I give you 7 sweets, 9 sweets, 4 sweets, 6 sweets, and 3 sweets, you know how to count. Yes? So now, among this, we are going to locate which is the smallest, and then the next big, and the next big, and the next big, and then you will put it in order. Okay? So these numbers are not put in order, and we are going to put it correctly. Okay? First, we need to choose 7, 9, 4, 6, 3, which is the first, smallest one. Good. 3. So first number is 3. Next. 4. Very good. Next. So we finished the 3, 4. Next. 6. Very good. And next 7 and 9. So now we learned to place the numbers. To place the numbers correctly. Arrange the numbers. What did you do? You arrange the numbers in proper order. Now we'll do another exercise. I give you another set of mixed up numbers for you to put straight. Okay, I have here 16, 11, 10, 14, and 9. I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 19. Now, let's look at the numbers. We're going to find out which is the smallest. 16, 11, 10, 14. Which is the smallest among these? You have the smallest is 10. Now find the answer. Put it down. 14, 11, 10, 11, 14, 19, 16, 19. So smallest among in the row is 10. Very good. After 10, what the next number? Little bigger than that? 11. And next bigger number? 14. And next one is 16. And finally you have the 19. We put the numbers in order. 10, 11, 14, 16, 19. We learn to arrange the numbers from small to big. Another set of numbers for you. Now, next one. Next we have 13, 20, 11, 17, and 15. Now we have a set of numbers here for you to find out which is the smallest, then the next big and so on. So arranging numbers from small to big. 13, 20, 11, 17, 15. Which is the smallest among these? 11. Very good. 11. Next big. 13. Very good. Next 15. That's good. And the next bigger 17. And finally 20. Now, let's read the exercise we have done. Arranging the numbers from small to big. 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. 10, 11, 14, 16, 19. 11, 13, 15, 17. 18. Arranging in order from small to big. That's what we have done. What have we done? Identify the smallest first, and then it goes on, increasing, and then. So we learn to arrange the numbers from small to big. What was not in proper order, we put it in order. All right?